Cubs for the win! Spinners are winners!
Alright, so made it. So this is the Chiang Mai Grand Canyon. We've got a load of adventure stuff over there. Hello, just sipping back from the Grand Canyon. You can see the Doi Sifet mountain. Okay, so just gone by a Wat Bon temple. Check out the views. This place is on. Okay, about a quarter of the way through and just coming from Pratap Sri Muang Pong temple. Check this out, only in Thailand. Advertisements with music. Absolutely stunning. Ah, coffee addict. And so about halfway through, it's an amazing tofu veggie and rice dish, 2 Sprites and an Americano. So if you have a little look around here, see all this burning. This is why Chiang Mai was so smoggy. So they burn their waste, and if they want to clear an area, it's been slowed down. So this is 25% down. Look at that gradient. Alright, hello. So coming down these hills, I don't know if you can see, watch this, see how steep it is with a bike. That's 25%. That's what 25%. Alright, hello. I'm coming at you from Samong XL Loop. I'm about 50k through it, another 45 to go. I didn't realise how steep it would be. So I'm at just under 3,000 foot elevation. It's up where they did a bloody burn. Okay, coming at you from almost the peak of the Samong XL Loop. And what I'll say is, hello! So that's got to be one of the hardest rides I've ever done, apart from the other one that I... Alright, hello, so I'm on my way up to the Mae Hong River or waterfall, and coming out from Chiang Mai as if you're on the Canal Road, we're going the other way. Alrighty, so coming at you on the road. Well, actually you've just gone through the province change into Lam Chung. It's very pretty here. Alright, so just leaving Chiang Mai, going up to the Mae Hong, which is a waterfall and a lake, and it's over there on the highway. Alright, so this is the ride, check out this crazy cool bike path right next to the highway. Hello, so this is a ride out of Chiang Mai to Chom Tong.